Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 28th, 2021. Today, we are going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Chainlink. Can we see a price explosion happen in the market for Chainlink? I'm going to talk about that today on this video, and I want to give you all the information, the news that is not confusing, that is not complex, and you don't have to be analytical just to figure out where is the market headed for Chainlink. Now, if you guys appreciate this video, this content, then hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. Keep it locked in here because you're not going to get it any simpler anywhere else. Everyone else is hyping you all up. They're trying to persuade you that all of these cryptocurrencies is going to make you massive billionaires. But yet and still, when you bring it back down to reality, look at the market in Chainlink. This is the price history right here. And you cannot deny what the market is doing when you look at price charts. It is what it is. This is why I tell everyone that money talks, but noise walks. With everything else that everyone else is talking about is literally noise. Everything else that everyone is showing you is literally noise. You only need to pay attention to the price and what the people are doing with money, whoever is participating in the market for Chainlink. This is all. You don't need nothing else. So look at this. You guys can see it. I did a video on December the 2nd telling you all that the price was predicted to go down in a Chainlink. Look at it. Yeah, it did. See, I'm not hiding anything from our community. I wanted to show you that you can do this for yourself and you can win more often than lose when you understand the markets. Right there, 19.1% now. Check this out. Not only did I predict that the price in Chainlink was going to go down, I also told you that we may even see price come and grab this overall ascending trend. And this is exactly where the buyer stepped in, right there around $17.50. See, once you understand the market dynamics, you actually know when to jump on board and when not to. So if we were to take this position right here on December the 2nd, got that 19% out, and if we would have came in and bought the market when we said the price was going to bounce off of this ascending line, right, we'll be up right now 28%. So you made 20% coming down, and now you're up 28% going up. You can make money either way it goes. This is why understanding the market dynamics is real important, and trying to alleviate all that other information, all that other noise. So congratulations to those who was able to capitalize on that movement to the downside of Chainlink. But now we want to know, can we see the market and Chainlink continue to go up? Now, overall, this is the embodiment of everyone's consensus who is involved in Chainlink. Now, look at this. This is the overall area of concern right here. Okay, it's a very wide area. Now we know where the buyers are at. The buyers are down here on this ascending line, and the sellers are up here towards this restriction area around $35. That's the grand scheme of things. Now in between there, yes, you will find small pockets of buyers and small pockets of sellers. So let's try to zoom in a little bit closer to see what direction the market is trying to go. So this is not XR, but this is Chainlink right here. You guys can see it. Now you tell me, what do you all think the market in Chainlink is trying to do now, right? Can you pinpoint where the sellers are at? Because you actually can see it, and they're here. This is where the sellers are at, okay? How do I know that? Well, currently we're getting rejected around $24. See that? Price is getting rejected there. The market in Chainlink was actually holding this area as support back in October the 12th. And even in August timeframe, beginning of September, the market was holding this $24 area as support. Even here, on 27th of May, 29th of May, we was holding support and we broke it. So now the market is being rejected. That's how I know that this is where the sellers are at. Let's look at this on the 3-day time frame for Chainlink. Okay. So do you think the market in Chainlink is taking a reprieve? Is it taking a break? Because like I told you earlier, the market has moved up 28% since it came and grabbed this ascending line. Are we taking a break now? Where do you think the price is headed for Chainlink in the long term? This is on the 5-day. How strong do you think the market really is in Chainlink? Let's take a look at this on a weekly. So what do you see? What is your expectations? Just by transitioning over to different time frames, you guys can actually tell what is the emotion of the market. Based off this weekly price bar right here, yeah, the market is pretty strong, but it doesn't mean that the price is going to come down. And if we do come down, okay, I am expecting the buyers to try to prop up Chainlink's price right here around 20. Yes. Okay. So either around 20 or again on this ascending line. Now, I'm here to tell you from out the gate, if price in Chainlink breaks $20 and even this ascending line, cut the play, right? Don't expect the market in Chainlink to go higher because we have broken this trend that we started back in March of 2020. This is a very bullish trend right now. If we ever break this massive trend to the downside, right, we need to cut the play and don't become bullish anymore because the market has spoken. Now, what I'm going to do though on this current video is, yes, I am going to play the strength into the market in Chainlink still. Okay, as long as price ultimately stays above this ascending line, and even better to see price trade above 20, I will be looking for the market to go up. Okay, this is it on the 2 weeks, right? Now, we got 5 days and 9 hours left. Based off what I'm seeing right now over the last couple of 2 weeks price bars, this is very good. It lets me know that the buyers are stepping into the market in Chainlink. Now, they still got a task ahead of them, right? We're still seeing the price close off of the highs on this current 2 weekly price bar, which is why we still got 5 days and 9 hours. So this is going to change. But currently, what we have right now is definitely pretty good to see. Okay, now let me go ahead and show you all this real quick. So I said $20 would be the location that I would like to see price uphold, that I would like to see the buyer step in. But I understand they don't always come through, they don't always show up. So let me extend it down a little bit further, down here to 18, right? This brings us towards that all important ascending line that I was telling you earlier that we need to make sure that price upholds. Now, back over to the daily, okay? How high you think the price is going to go before we see sellers? Right? We already got rejected at 24. So that's pretty logical for us to try to grab the bag around $24 in Chainlink. That gives us around 8.61%. Now, this is what I'm saying. You don't want to come in and be greedy. We've already seen price get rejected at 24. So on any movement higher back up towards 24, you might want to take that 8% out the market and be satisfied because you won, because you noticed that the sellers were coming through into the market in Chainlink right there. So now that would be the first spot. Second area is going to be up here towards 26. Okay, and look at this on the 3-day. Yeah, I'm going to give you 2 price targets on this particular price prediction. I'm not really seeing, a massive indication that the market is relatively that strong in Chainlink right now. So I'm just going to give you these 2 price targets, $24 and $26. If we continue to see the strength into the market, yeah, we can hit 28. But again, let's put this in relative terms as to how strong this market really is in Chainlink, and it's not that strong. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this out right here. This is my expectations into the market in Chainlink. Again, $24, $26 is where we're looking for sellers to appear, and that's about it. I'm not too bullish, I'm not too bearish into the market in Chainlink right now. You may be, and if so, drop me your price prediction real quick. Let everyone know what is your price target for Chainlink going into 2022. Let us know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.